Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kyle with HOGWORKZ. We are back in our Michigan shop here. Excited to introduce you to a brand new product here for us. These are our saddlebag guards for the 22 to current Low Rider ST, like the one behind me. These are available in a glossy black powder coat finish and are gonna protect your bags in the event of a spill and a low impact crash. Alex is here today in the shop. He's gonna go over how to get these on your bike. Let's get right to it.
All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and install the crash bars here. A couple tools you're gonna need is T45 Torx and a 5/16 Allen, and we'll go ahead and get into it. Okay, the first thing you wanna do is, if you do have bolt in here holding your foot peg on, or maybe you have a plastic cap here, you wanna go ahead and remove that. This is where the lower mount's gonna go. And then you'll wanna take your T45 and remove this upper Torx bit here. And if you're not running foot pegs, you can use the shorter screws. The longer screws will be used if you're running a foot peg down on the lower mount. So you go ahead and line this up. Go ahead and get the top one started, and then the bottom one started. That's all there is to it. On the other side here, we're gonna go ahead and same thing. If you have a screw down here or a plastic cap, remove it, and then go ahead and remove this T45 up top. Now this side is a little trickier because the exhaust is in the way. So the kit's also gonna come with some 1-inch Allen screws. So you'll wanna use those on this side. You can take the exhaust off if you need to, but you are able to get it on without doing that with a couple of tricks we'll show you. So we'll go ahead and install the top one first. And then this lower one here, like I said, it's a little tricky to get in here without taking the exhaust off, but it is doable. So the easiest way to get the bottom one on is after you have it finger tight in as far as you can go. So use a ball end 5/16. What that'll let you do is get a little bit of angle on it to get the wrench up above the exhaust, and then you can go ahead and tighten it down. So after you got the bottom tightened up, you go ahead and tighten up the top here. And your bags are now protected.